Hi, my name is Yoshi. I decided to make this channel to tell you the fastest way to learn Japanese. I'm gonna teach you how to make a question sentence with a suru in this video. It was so difficult to memorize a lot of patterns of suru, I suppose. But don't be afraid, it is easy to make a question sentence. If you use casual pattern, actually you don't have to change anything. Just ask with affirmative sentence. For instance, when you wanna ask your friend Yoshi whether he will study, you should say 勉強する or よし勉強する That's it. Though the intonation changes. If you want to ask your friend about another friend, you should put は between subject and verb. It is weird, but exceptionally we should pronounce は to use は in this case. For instance, when you want to ask your friend Yoshi whether another friend Tada will study, you should say ただは勉強する? An even formal pattern. It is not difficult at all. You can do the same way as a casual pattern. Also, you can put か at the end of the sentence, and it is more natural. For instance, when you want to ask your boss Yoshi if he will study, you should say 勉強されますか? or よしさん勉強されますか? So now you understood how to make a question sentence. By the way, I want to explain to you how to respond to a question at the same time. If it's yes, you should say casually うん or politely はい. And of course you can add a phrase after these words like English. Yes, I do. うんするはいします. If it's no, you should say いや or いえ and then you must add a phrase. For instance, いやしないいえしません. If positive, it's not obliged to add a phrase, but if negative, you must add. There is a word いいえ. It is no in Japanese, but as a matter of fact, the impression of the word is pretty aggressive, so you should avoid using いいえ except when you emphasize or insist. Okay, now let's try a test. Please translate the following English sentences and make sentences in Japanese. I will show you each example of the sentence later. Of course, you remember the last video's verbs and patterns of suru? Let's get started. I will show you two cases. You are a man in a blue jacket or a black suit. First one is the scene where you are talking with your friend A. Second one is the scene where you are talking with your boss. In each scene, you sometimes ask about your friend A or your boss. Sometimes ask about another person, such as friend B, Yoshi, or colleague, Yoshi. You should be careful for 2 points. First, when you talk about another person, you should add a subject with は. Second, you should use proper verb pattern according to whom you are talking about. Let's get started. Will you study? 勉強する勉強する Will Yoshi study? ヨシは勉強するヨシは勉強する Did you study? 勉強した勉強した Did Yoshi study? ヨシは勉強したヨシは勉強した Are you studying? 勉強してる勉強してる Are Yoshi studying? ヨシは勉強してるヨシは勉強してる Will you have lunch? 食事されますか食事されますか Will Yoshi have lunch? ヨシさんは食事しますかヨシさんは食事しますか Have you had lunch? 食事されましたか食事されましたか Has Yoshi had lunch? ヨシさんは食事しましたかヨシさんは食事しましたか In the next video, I want to build your vocabulary verbs that are able to connect the through. Please make a comment to ask any questions or request below. I want to make the best video to study Japanese with all of you. See you! Bon courage! You can do it! じゃあよ Fighting! 相撲がサクセス進な頑張れ